Hey guys, sorry about the really junky introduction for this video, but the great introduction that I recorded earlier, along with the footage of me catching the first two fish of the day, somehow I lost it. It wasn't on my camera when I got home. It was there before I left the lake. I'm not sure what I did wrong between there and here, but it is gone. Anyway, want to thank you all for joining me. Sorry it's been so long since I posted a video, but I am getting back at it. This video is not about me and why I've been gone so long. It's just about me taking y'all fishing. If you guys are interested, comment below if you want to know, and I will do a video about why I have been gone so long. But suffice it to say, I think I've got most of the issues put behind me at this point, and I will be doing videos from here on out. Alright guys, enjoy the video. fish heads. So we had a pretty decent little day on the lake. I got finished with 3. I actually caught 4, but I don't count the first one. He was just about 8 inches. So I didn't even bother measuring him, just tossed him back. So I caught 3, 2 keepers, one 13.5, one 19.5, and then one sub keeper. He was 11 inches. But all in all, pretty good day. All 3 of them caught on the shaky head. 2 of the 3 were caught on the squirrel tail by Big Bites. And then the other one was actually caught on the hula sticks by Z-Man. But I had 2 more really good bites on the squirrel tail. One I swung and I missed. You guys probably saw that one. And one I swung and I hooked, but then he got me wrapped up in a log and I wound up losing him. So all in all, landed 3. Had 2 other really good bites I wish I could have landed. But all in all, good day. Good first day out really for the year. I know it's almost the end of January, but don't have as much access as I used to. So I take advantage when I can. Guys, thank you. Like and subscribe if you don't mind. And we will see y'all next time. Have a good one.